everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I love creating art, DIYs, home decor, and lifestyle videos. And in today's video, I'm creating two very easy and pretty DIYs made using power tools. There's a giveaway also to be won in this video, so stay with me along the video and watch the video till the end for the secret word that will help you enter the giveaway. And let's begin with the video. For the first DIY, I'm creating a fall lantern, and for that I took a small tin can and also I sketched a fall leaf on a piece of paper. I placed the paper onto the tin can, and then with the help of sellotape I attached it on the tin can, and then I started drilling small holes along the outline of the fall leaf like so. I took a small mini electric drilling machine which is really great for beginners, and it comes with several attachments. So I first put the drilling pin and then adjusted the speed of the drill, as it comes in three different speed settings, and also it is cordless and chargeable, so it is really portable and very lightweight, so you can use it, you can keep it handy in your purse also, and I think it really serves good purpose for beginners like me. And yeah, you can see how easily I'm able to drill small holes all along the line, and it comes out really great. I'll put the link to the drilling machine from where I purchased down in the description box, so you can check it out if you want to. Drilling small holes can be a little time taking, but the end result is absolutely amazing and super pretty. So you need to have patience and just watch how it looks at the final end. Once all the holes were drilled, I carefully removed the paper from the tin can, and then I painted the tin can with grey color. This is optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. It definitely looks more prettier. After it was dry completely, I put little fairy lights into the tin can, and this is how the end product looks. It absolutely looks amazing and was super easy to make. I think anyone can make this project, and even beginners who are starting with power tools can do this. You can drill various shapes on the lantern, and according to your preference, and also you can use them indoors or even in your gardens. I think wherever you keep it, it'll always look pretty, and also you can use them as your night lamps. Here I've used it as a night lamp. I've put it on a white lamp stand, and this is how it looks. Absolutely adorable. I'm loving it. Now let me tell you about the Power Up Collab that we are participating in. This is organized by Robin from Crafts Unleashed by Robin and Sarah from Can Sarah DIY It, and I think they are going to host this collab every month, and all the new DIYers or people who really want to try out power tools as a beginner, or if you're too much into power tools, you can join this, and I think it will be a great opportunity to show off your power tools expertise, I would say. To enter and win this giveaway, that is a $25 Dollar Tree gift card and a set of 2022 Dollar Tree calendars. You must subscribe to all of us and like and comment on all the videos of today. And I have linked the playlist and all the channel down in the description box, so you can comment on all the channels below with the secret word that every creator is going to provide you in their video. So you need to watch the entire video to find out that secret word, and then mention that secret word in the description box below. Make a sentence with that word, and that's how you enter the giveaway. And it'll I think it'll be super fun watching all the creators that are making super amazing power tools DIY. Moving on to my second DIY, this is really super simple. I made a plant stand, and for that I took a wooden plank, and then I first painted it with the white acrylic paint, but took some black acrylic paint and just dry brushed it over the white paint so that it looks really distressed and weathered also, and slightly grayish. I really wanted that color. So here I'm dry brushing it onto the wooden plank, and then I had drilled earlier the holes onto the wooden plank on all the four sides. Once the plank was completely dry, I took jute twine and I ran it through the four holes that I made, and these are going to be the hangers on which I'm going to hang this wooden plank. I inserted 6 wooden beads on all the four sides of the wooden plank, and this gives it a slightly more farmhousey touch. So this is what I wanted as a look. And later I tied the two ends together. So the secret word is hammer, and to enter the giveaway you must write the word hammer in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on all the videos to enter the giveaway. Once done, I hung my little plants onto this little swing or hammock, you can say. And this is, I think, a great place to keep plants if you want them to be indoors, or also if you want to propagate plants and cuttings. So this is going to be my propagation station for my money plant and other plants also. And that's all for today's video. Let me know out of the two which one was your favorite, and don't forget to enter and follow the rules of the giveaway. Thanks a lot for watching, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Bye and take care.